System assembly and energy activation. Plug the power cord and foot switch connector into the sockets on the generator's rear panel. Connect foot switch as needed. Turn on the power switch of ultrasonic generator to start power on self-testing. The system self-test will be successful with a tone, and displays with the default power levels. Plug the transducer connector into the socket on front panel of the generator. The plane of the connector faces upward. Front panel will display the number of times the transducer has been used. As shown above, the number 19 represents the transducer has been used 19 times. Connect transducer with scalpel vertically. Fix the transducer with one hand and rotate the rotation wheel or shaft clockwise with the other hand. When there is increasing resistance to rotation, rotate the rotation wheel only the white part without the orange part clockwise to lock until here 2 clicks. After successful connection, the ultrasonic scalpel indicators will flash blue to prompt the self-testing of ultrasonic scalpel. Keep the jaw open, and press the max or min button for 2 seconds to start scalpel self-testing. Then the status display goes normally blue, the default value of min and mix display 3 and 5 separately. Clamp the tissue with the first 2/3 of the blade. Pull the trigger to clamp the tissue and activate by pressing max or min button on scalpel, or step on cut or coag pedal of foot switch to activate. During the operation, if the blade adheres to the tissue, immerse the blade in sterile saline, open the jaw, activate and gently shake to remove the adherent tissue or blood. The blade can also be wiped with wet sterile gauze to remove residual tissue. System settings. Power level settings. Set the min or max parameters by pressing plus or minus as required. Then the generator will be in working condition. System settings. System volume setting. Press T button and plus or minus under min at the same time to adjust the volume.
System settings, max and min mode switch.
Long press T button and minus under max at the same time to switch max and min modes on the scalpel. When the max power level display changes from 0 to 1, while the max and min icon flashing simultaneously, it indicates the max and min modes on the scalpel have switched. In this condition, when user press max button on scalpel, the min power level will be activated. Accordingly, pressing min button on scalpel will activate the max power level. Long press T button and minus under max at the same time again to switch back the 2 modes until the max power level display changes from 1 to 0. The system will always be the default settings when restart the generator. Transducer self-test. Long press T button and press plus under max twice at the same time to take the self-test of transducer when it is first connected. The transducer indicator at lower left corner will flash from orange to disappeared, and the ultrasonic scalpel indicator will be lit in orange to prompt the transducer self-test is successful. System shutdown and accessory removal. After the procedure, power off the generator. Rotate the wheel counterclockwise to separate the scalpel from the transducer. Remove all the accessories from the generator. The ultrasonic scalpel is a disposable product. After use, the ultrasonic scalpel should be discarded according to the relevant regulations of the hospital and should not be reused.